Dear students, in previous class I had solved 1-2 number question of exercise 2.4. Today I am going to solve question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Question number 3 is find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. X minus 1 is a factor of px, so we put the value of x in px. If px is equal to 0, then it is verified that x minus 1 is a factor of px. So putting x is equal to 1 in px. Answer 3 of 1. px बराबर x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस k. x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस k. Here x minus 1 is a factor of px. Here x minus 1 is equal to 0, yeah, x is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1 in px, p1 is equal to x square 1 square plus 1 plus k. One square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Yeah, 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Yeah, 2 plus k is equal to 0. Yeah, k is equal to minus 2. We have to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. X minus 1 is a factor of px, so x is minus 1 is equal to 0, या x बराबर 1. Putting x बराबर 1 in px, 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0, या 2 plus k is equal to 0, या 2 plus k बराबर 0, अथवा k is equal to minus 2. We have to find the value of k. Similarly, you can solve 2, 3, 4 number question. One more question, 3 number of this. 3 number of 3. X minus 1 is a factor of px बराबर kx स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2x प्लस 1. px बराबर kx स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2x प्लस 1. kx स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2x प्लस 1. Putting x is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1 in px. जीरो बराबर k इंटू वन माइनस वन स्क्वायर माइनस √2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, या जीरो इज इक्वल टू k माइनस √2 k माइनस √2 प्लस 1, या k इज इक्वल टू √2 minus 1. This is the value of k. We have to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. So we put x is equal to 1 in px. We get 0 बराबर k इंटू 1 स्क्वायर माइनस √2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1 बराबर k माइनस √2 प्लस 1, या k इज इक्वल टू √2 minus 1. One main thing is to understand, if in question, if you are not given using remainder theorem, find the factorization of the given expression, you can solve by factorization method. In previous class, using remainder theorem, I had solved examples, but in your exercise it is not given, only given factorize. So you can solve it by any method using remainder theorem अथवा factorization method. We have only asked factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So I am going to solve question number 4 of exercise 2.4. Here question number 3, the value of k is equal to minus 2 and value of, in 3 number, value of k is equal to √2 minus 1. Similarly, you can solve all questions of question number 3. Now I am going to solve question number 4. Its multiplication is 12x square. So we take minus 9x plus 2x. Minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. If we add minus 4x plus minus 3x, we get minus 7x. And if we multiply 4x by 3x, we get 12x square. So the factors of 12x square is equal to minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. And taking common 4x, we get 3x minus 1, and taking minus 1 common, 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. Answer. If we have to factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1, the factors of 12 are 4, 3, 6, 6, we take minus 4x and minus 3x, because if we add minus 4x and minus 3x, we get minus 7x, and if we multiply, we get 12x squared. So appropriate factors of 12x squared minus 7x plus 1 is minus 4x minus 3x, and taking common 4x, we get 3x minus 1, and taking common minus 1, we get 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 is common factor, and rest is 4x minus 1. So factorization of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. One more problem, answer 5. I am solving one question of question number 5. Factorize x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. We have to factorize. Here we see that in first two terms we take common x square. Taking common x square, we have x minus 2, and in last two terms we take common minus 1. We have x minus 2. Here x minus 2 is common factors, so we write x minus 2 and the rest factor is x square minus 1. Now we factorize x square minus 1 using the formula a square minus b square. We know that we have read before that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write for x square minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using this formula, we can write for x square minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. Hence, now we cannot factorize. So this is in simple form, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Here we see that in both terms x square is common. Taking common x square, we write x minus 2, and from last two terms we take minus 1 common. Rest is x minus 2. Here x minus 2 and x minus 2 are common factors, so we take x minus 2 and rest is x square minus 1. Now using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b formula, the factorization x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is your answer, and in this method you can solve all questions of this exercise. If you feel difficult, trouble, you can ask problems in next exercise. Thank you.